friends, Serena with Focus Insite here. Are you ready to add some love to your home this Valentine's Day? Get your supplies together because we're about to make some hanging paper hearts. You will need a piece of paper, scissors, a hole punch, and string or ribbon. First, take a piece of paper and fold it in half. I would recommend using cardstock paper. Feel free to experiment with different colors and patterns of paper. The next step is to cut out a heart shape on the side of the folded paper. Feel free to experiment with different sized hearts. You can make some big, medium, and small hearts to give a more interesting look. And now it's time to unfold to reveal the heart shapes. At the top of our pretty cutout hearts, we're going to punch a hole. A hole punch creates a cleaner and more precise hole, making it easier to thread the string or ribbon through. And now we're going to grab some string or ribbon and thread it through the holes. You can also play around making these different lengths and stagger them for a cuter effect. Feel free to add glitter, paint, or even write sweet messages like we did to add a personal touch to your decorations. Hang them up in your home and voila! You've got yourself some adorable decorations that will add love to any room.